On June 24, 2024, at approximately 10:31 a.m., a fire broke out at SEOUL, a primary battery manufacturer in Hwasong, Gyeonggi Province, resulting in 23 fatalities. The deceased included 5 Korean, 17 Chinese, and 1 Laotian. Among the 23 victims, 17 were women. However, controversy has arisen as some Koreans are blaming the foreign victims instead of mourning the tragic accident. Of the 18 deceased foreign workers, 17 were Chinese. The families of the Chinese victims faced reactions such as, "How much more money are you trying to get? Don't blame the government. Could you raise your voice like this in China?" You ended up aligning with labor groups making this a political issue. It's well known that Korea, China, and Japan have long-standing historic tensions. However, recently, anti-Chinese sentiment has intensified, especially among the MZ generation, due to incidents like Chinese tourists defecating in the streets of Jeju, claims that traditional Korean attire and kimchi are Chinese, and anti-Korean remarks from famous Chinese YouTubers. One of the examples of this anti-Chinese sentiment is that when the Bereaved Families Association requests government administrative support for the entry and stay of overseas family members to attend funerals, online reactions also included, "They want relatives up to the 8th and 100th cousin to enter. Why misuse our taxes? Unreasonable demands, just using sadness as an excuse to enter. They just want a trip to Korea," and other negative comments. While some Chinese individuals have made hateful comments, this should not be applied to victims of a tragic event. The victims were foreign workers contributing to a Korean economy and society. Yes, they can. Even undocumented workers are eligible too. Regular employees can be compensated through industrial accident insurance, while daily or temporary workers may not be covered by this insurance but can receive compensation through other means such as bodily injury liability insurance. Funeral expenses, medical costs, and insurance payouts will be provided to foreign victims on par with Korean nationals too. The Hwasong SEOUL factory fire occurred when stored lithium batteries caught fire, resulting in fatalities. Such a large-scale disaster is subject to the Serious Accidents Punishment Act, which includes a key requirement for ensuring safety and health of the employees. The factory had previously been penalized for storing lithium batteries beyond the appropriate capacity, indicating responsibility for management lapses. In cases of severe disasters leading to fatalities, the maximum penalty can be up to 30 years in prison.